Hello, we are back.
Yes, we are back.
Yeah, ఇప్పుడు something very very simple. ఇది ఎంతసేపు పట్టుద్ది విజయ్? He's going to teach us a salad. Something super simple.
It's a hardly takes 2 minutes to
2
make.
minutes.
Less than 2 minutes I say, but there are prep time is just 1.5 minute. But advantages, the beauty and the advantages are countless.
Wow.
Countless.
This is a simple, delicious salad and 2 minutes prep time, 1.5 minutes. మనం ఎంత ఈజీగా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే అంత ఈజీగా చేసేసుకోవచ్చు.
This is my everyday post dinner salad.
Why at that time?
సో లైక్ మన హోల్ గట్ అంతా క్లియర్ అవ్వాలి. లైక్ యాజ్ మనం మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఏదైతే తిన్నామో వన్స్ మన జిఐ ట్రాక్ నీట్ అండ్ ఎంటీ అయిపోతే జస్ట్ లైక్ కల్పనా చావ్లా అవర్ జిఐ ట్రాక్ షుడ్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎ గ్లాస్ ఇన్సైడ్. వీ షుడ్ లుక్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇన్సైడ్ అండ్ అవుట్ సైడ్.
That is internal health.
Internal health. Yeah, we should always lubricate our joints.
You know, చాలా మంది స్కిన్ కేర్ గురించి అడుగుతారు ఏం ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వాడాలని. Yes, that's important. But internal గా మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నాం? Have this and your skin will glow. Correct?
Definitely. And also it will give lubrication for your joints. So మోకాళ్ళ నొప్పులు రావడం కానీ ఏముండదు and your gut health will be good and you feel so light next day morning. Automatically గా లైట్ అయ్యేసే we will have lot of energy. Yeah, and it will aid for good sleep because it's high fiber, fiber in both soluble as well as insoluble fiber. So it will clear up your gut health and you will refresh totally.
So gut health ఎప్పుడైతే బాగుంటుందో we are full of energy, our skin will glow, vibrant. ఒకటి కాదు the benefits. So this last meal you're saying?
Definitely. And even though మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ బయటికి వెళ్ళి once we have ఎనీ పార్టీస్ అవన్నీ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత గిల్ట్ ఫ్రీ అవ్వాలి అంటే we should have this salad so that we will be guilt free.
Like we will help to eliminate the whole thing.
చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే లైక్ గిల్ట్ ఫీల్ అయిపోతా ఉంటారు నెక్స్ట్ డే అంతా నేను పలానా రోజు అది తినేసాను. వన్స్ యూ ఈట్ దిస్ you will be guilt free.
Totally.
Yeah, this is a guilt free salad.
Only night కాకుండా ఒక్కొక్కసారి any time of the day కూడా తినొచ్చుగా?
Yeah, we can have అసలు యాక్చువల్ గా obese people can have 2 times a day. Post lunch and post dinner. And we can have it like a meal also. We can add some chicken chunks on it at the end, or we can have some paneer on it, tofu on it, so that
vegetarians can add tofu or paneer,
and it will become a complete
full meal.
Exactly.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are ready.
Let me start.
Let's see all the ingredients first.
So first and foremost, I am using extra virgin olive oil. One thing is olive oil should not heat more than 40 degrees. ఎప్పుడైతే ఎక్స్ట్రా వర్జిన్ ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్ ఇఫ్ వీ హీట్ మోర్ దెన్ 40 degrees ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ క్యాన్సరస్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ మేక్ దట్ మిస్టేక్. సో డోంట్ హీట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా వర్జిన్ ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్. జస్ట్ 2 teaspoons ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా వర్జిన్ ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్.
No heating extra virgin olive oil.
Yes, not more than 40.
Not at all heat resistant.
So we are keeping the same amount of lemon to it. So this will act like a superfood. So lemon plus olive oil is like a superfood.
Same amount?
Yeah, same amount.
2 teaspoons adeste idi 2
teaspoons. And then so this is Rajma, overnight soaked and cooked properly in a pressure cooker. Yes, I am popping them all in this.
ఇది ఒక్కటే కొంచెం ప్రెప్ టైం మనకి పట్టుద్ది, మిగతా అన్ని అసలుకి
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
క్విక్.
సో జస్ట్ పింక్ సాల్ట్,
నైస్, some pepper
to taste, and then toss again.
I like the way he's tossing.
And then carrots, very chopped. You can have it like your me yokka liking but you can have it like a shredded carrot or like a diced carrot or any type of like just 2 tablespoons of each vegetable, 2 tablespoons of cucumber.
Hey, so skin to part esesaru?
Yes, we cleaned it thoroughly. We can have it, and these are
small
cherry tomatoes and some onions.
Lovely.
So it's depending upon your taste buds and everything, you can have it accordingly.
If you have a meeting, skip the onions.
So we can have beetroot. I'm using 5 vegetables. We can stick to 4 vegetables.
4.
That is
enough. Ennu unte anni.
So 4 vegetables, just toss it.
ఏ వెజిటబుల్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా చేసుకోండి. డోంట్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ ఎక్స్క్యూజెస్ లైక్ ఓ బీట్రూట్ లేదు కదా ఐమ్ నాట్ గోనా డూ ద సాలడ్.
So once we toss it again with some cilantro to on the top.
ఓకే.
Cilantro and some mint.
ఓ మింట్ కూడా.
Mint, yeah, for the taste. You will have the amazing taste. So that's it.
వావ్. It looks so good.
That's it.
Oh my God, just look at this. Just look at this, guys. Vijay, this looks so
Yummy and so filling.
So colorful.
And definitely again your stomach will say thank you to you.
so full of nutrients. Look at those colors, yeah. Now, how can we say no? How can we say no to something like this? I can't. Oh my God. It's
So the
so
flavor,
delicious.
the combination, everything will be awesome.
I can get the mint, that smell, the lemon. Perfect.
Yes.
I love it.
So this is my everyday
Go to
post
food.
dinner meal.
ఇది పోస్ట్ డిన్నర్ తినచ్చు లేదా
And we can add some chicken to it on the top for 150 grams, or for vegetarians we can go for paneer. We can for vegans we can go for tofu. And this is as simple as that. We can add some more protein to it, so it will become a meal.
Fantastic. It's so simple.
So simple.
And you
easy
just
to do.
add your chicken or protein. Vegetarians అయితే paneer.
Yeah.
Tofu.
Vegans అయితే కనుక tofu. Yeah.
And also see, you have the beans, no? That
Yes.
is also enough.
Yeah, that's also enough. That's also enough for a good fiber, good amount of fiber, which will have both protein as well as fiber to it.
Super. So మనకి beans కూడా ఉంది కాబట్టి by itself it's a super meal.
Exactly.
You know,
exactly.
a proper full-fledged meal.
Meal. Yeah, I'm talking about like athletes, sports people can add some more protein to it.
Perfect. Perfect.
So
Thank
here
you.
you go.
Here it is. Colorful, beautiful salad. మన కోసం. Thank you, Vijay. This is super delicious,
And easy.
easy, healthy.
No time to just prep time is
Easy.
1.5 minutes.
That's it. Okay, so let's try it. Thank you, guys, and I will give you the entire ingredients in the description. Okay, and you know where to find Vijay. All his handles, contact information, everything is given in the description below. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you.
I hope you guys liked the video, because you'll have to share it, like it, subscribe. Yeah? Thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned in for more healthy recipes. For that, you'll have to again catch us in another video. See you guys soon. Bye. You please say bye. Bye, guys.